It moves the earth, heartbeat of Jah. It sings rebirth, boom, 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 boom. Feel it strong, heartbeat of Jah. It's where we belong, heartbeat of Jah. It moves the earth, heartbeat of Jah. It sings rebirth, boom, 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 boom. Feel it strong, heartbeat of Jah. It's where we belong. Mountains rise with ancient pride. Clouds roll heavy, but we never hide. A lion's roar in the distance calls. Truth stands tall even when it falls. Oh, can you hear it? Oh, can you feel the rhythm of life, the ultimate seer? Heartbeat of Jah, it moves the earth. Heartbeat of Jah, it sings rebirth. Boom, 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 boom. Feel it strong. Heartbeat of Jah, it's where we belong. Heartbeat of Jah, it moves the earth. Heartbeat of Jah, it sings rebirth. Boom, 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 boom. Feel it strong. Heartbeat of Jah, it's where we belong. Drums like thunder, bass lines roll. Echoes of Zion feed the soul. Fire burns bright, never fades away. Just heartbeat guides us every day. Drums like thunder, bass lines roll. Echoes of Zion feed the soul. Fire burns bright, never fades away. Just heartbeat guides us every day. Heartbeat of Jah, it moves the earth. Heartbeat of Jah, it sings rebirth. Boom, 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 boom. Feel it strong. Heartbeat of Jah, it's where we belong. Heartbeat of Jah, it moves the earth. Heartbeat of Jah, it sings rebirth. Boom, 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 boom. Feel it strong. Heartbeat of Jah, it's where we belong. Sunrise spills on golden sand. The waves keep time like a reggae band. Coconut whispers in the breeze. Island dreaming, that's where I'll be, under the mango tree. So free. Island dreaming, calling to me. Mountains high wear a crown of green. The ocean's mirror reflects the serene. Feet in the water, no need to run. Island dreaming, that's where I'll be, under the mango tree. So free. Island dreaming, calling to me. the times. The stars above are my only guides. Every moment feels alive. Island dreaming, that's where I'll be, under the mango tree, so free. Island dreaming, calling to me. Island dreaming, ocean whispers to the sand so slow. The sun dips low where the palm trees grow. Cool breeze hums a tune I used to know. Island heartbeat, feel it strong. Drum of life keeps rolling on. Under the stars where we belong. Island heartbeat, sing your song. Coconut moonlight, shadows sway. Salt air dances where the children play. Tomorrow waits, but we'll live today. The tide it rises, the tide it falls. We hear the rhythm in nature's calls. Island heartbeat, feel it strong. Drum of life keeps rolling on. Under the stars where we belong. Island heartbeat, sing your song. Every wave a memory, every breeze a melody. Feel it deep in you and me. Island heartbeat, feel it strong. Drum the palm trees sway. Ocean breeze dances like it's here to stay. Sand on my feet, salt on my skin. Island life calling, let the day begin. Island life calling, hear the rhythm play. Feel the beat rising, chase your cares away. Island life calling, let the music flow. Underneath the mango sky, where the love will grow. Coconut shells and a driftwood fire. Melodies climb like the tide gets higher. Children laugh, their joy breaks free. This is the life, it's the way to be. No clock to bind me, no rush to race. Just the island's heartbeat, just this sacred place. Island life calling, hear the rhythm play. Feel the beat rising, chase your cares away. Island life calling, let the music flow. Underneath the mango sky, where the love will grow. Every wave speaks a story untold. Every star's a dream waiting to unfold. Let the reggae hum, let your spirit glide. Island life calling, take the ocean side. The sea hums low, the tide rolls near. Palm trees whisper what I long to hear. Sun melts shadows on the golden sand. I feel the rhythm of this island land. Island rhythm calling, calling me. Through the waves and the salty breeze. Island rhythm calling, can't you see? It's the heart of the ocean setting me free. Drums in the distance echo so deep. Moonlight dances while the island sleep. Stars like lanterns light the velvet sky. I hear the music and I don't ask why. It's in the air, it's in the sea. This rhythm is where I'm meant shells and a melody sweet. Their footsteps on a dusty street. Every heartbeat a syncopated beat. Island rhythm makes the circle complete. Island rhythm calling, calling me through the waves and the salty breeze. Island rhythm calling, can't you see? It's the heart of the ocean setting me free. The sun dips low where the palms sway wide. Golden sands kiss the ocean tide. A breeze whispers secrets, stories untold. Here on this island, the heart beats bold. Island vibes only, let the rhythm flow. Feel the bass beat, let your worries go. Island vibes only, where the soul runs free. This is the life, it's just you and the sea. Coconut shadows dance on the shore. Laughter rings out, leave the past at the door. The fire burns bright, drums play in time. Life tastes sweeter like fresh picked lime. Close your eyes, feel the heartbeat rise. In the island air, there are no goodbyes. Island vibes only, let the rhythm flow. Feel the bass beat, let your worries go. Island vibes only, where the soul runs free. This is the life, it's just you and the sea. Stars light the night, a celestial choir. The waves keep the beat, never growing tired. Under this sky, we all find our place. Every moment here, a sweet embrace. The sun still fights. Through the dark I see the golden lights. A whisper in the wind calls my name. Oh Jah, your love will never wane. Jah light shining, oh so bright, guiding become your song in their own way. Mountains stand like prophets tall. Jah, you're the answer to it all. When the road feels rough and the days seem tough, your light's enough. Your light shining, oh so bright, guiding me through the longest night. Your light shining, pure and true. Every step I take, I feel you. Oh, no chains can bind me, no walls can hold. Your fire burns, it's fierce and bold. Through stormy seas and desert sands, just light forever in my hands. Oh, yeah. The sun bows down where the mountains sleep. Roots dig deep where the spirits keep. A breeze whispers truth through the mango tree. Just blessing firelight guides me through the darkest nights. Oh Jah, keep me bright. The river hums like an ancient hymn. Drums of the earth speak the song within. Each drop of rain a story, a rhythm. Just blessing firelight guides me through the darkest night. Oh Jah, keep me bright. God's blessing flow. Let it overflow from the hills to the valleys low. God's blessing flow. Let it overflow. Carry us where the winds will blow. Drums of thunder, the earth does sing. Every bird takes flight on Jah's wing. Raindrops falling, washing my sin. The rhythm starts where the heart begins. Rise up, my people. Rise and see, just like shining eternally. Just blessing flow. Let it overflow from the hills to the valleys low. Just blessing flow. Let it overflow. Carry us where the winds will blow. One love, one heart, one mighty plan. God's hand holds this earthly span. Feel the beat, feel the land. We stand strong, united band. The sun rises slow in the eastern sky. Clouds drifting soft where the sparrows fly. I hear the earth hum, I hear it sigh. Just blessing wind, it moves my soul. Just blessing wine, it makes me whole. Feel it coming, feel it roll. The trees sway low with a gentle grace. Roots dig deep, no time to race. The rhythm of life in every space. Breathe it in, let it flow. Just love, it's all we know. Just bless sky. Oh Jah, hear our cry. Freedom, freedom never dies. The sun rises on the mountain high. Smoke spirals where the eagles fly. Roots dig deep where the rivers cry. Just fire burns steady in the sky. Just fire blessing keep us strong through the night and through the dawn. Just fire blessing, it can't go wrong. Sing it loud, sing it long. Just fire lives on. The wind whispers through the ancient trees, carrying the songs of the Caribbean seas. Every heartbeat, every breeze, just love flows in moments like these. Light the flame, let it glow. Feel the rhythm, let it flow. Just fire blessing, keep us strong through the night and through the dawn. Just fire blessing, it can't go wrong. Sing it loud, sing it long. Just fire lives on. But God's light shines where hope is found. In the struggle, in the fight, just fire guides us through the night. Just fire. Kisses the ocean wide. Mountains hum where the spirits bide. The earth it turns, the rivers glide. Just light, just fire, truth taking me when shadows creep and doubts surround. His voice a whisper, a holy sound. Through the storm I'm homeward bound. Just light, just fire, burning truth taking me higher. Just light, just fire, fills my soul, my one desire. The morning breaks with golden fire. A chant of hope lifts ever higher. Roots beneath, they hold the ground, while jazz light spins the world around. Jazz light rising, can't you see? Through the clouds it sets us free. Rising and sing endlessly. Just like rising. Let it be. Rivers flow, they carve the stone. A melody of life unknown. Through the pain, the joy remains, like sunshine after heavy rain. Oh Jah, guide the way through the night into the day. Just light rising, can't you see? Through the clouds it sets us free. Rising, rising endlessly. Just light rising. Let it be. No shadows hold, no chains can bind. The love of Jah, it heals the mind. The rhythm beats, the heart aligns. Just light rising through all time.
Sunrise up like Jah's own hand, paints the sky, ignites the land. Golden rays, they kiss my face. Every shadow runs, birds sing a hymn, their sweet refrain. The earth forms low a sacred chain. My heart beats to this ancient drum. In jazz light, we all become one. Jazz morning blessing, feel it in the air. Jazz morning blessing, love is everywhere. Rise up, stand strong, let your spirit declare. Jazz morning blessing, jazz love we share. No mountain too high, no valley too deep. Jah walks beside us, His promises we keep. Through storms that rage, through fires that burn, in Jah's embrace, we always return. Jah's morning blessing, feel it in the air. Jah's morning blessing, love is everywhere. Rise up, stand strong, let your spirit declare. Jah's morning blessing, Jah's love we share. Sunrise whispers through the trees. The dew still clings like memories. Roots grow deep where the earth is wide. Ancient songs beneath these skies. Jah's morning roots, they hold me strong. Jah's morning roots, where I belong. Feel the rhythm, hear the truth. Jah's morning roots, eternal youth. A lion's roar in the hills afar guides my heart like a shining star. The drumbeat calls, the world awakes. Life's melody, no time for fakes. Jah's morning roots, they hold me strong. Jah's morning roots, where I belong. Feel the rhythm, hear the truth.
Jazz ocean flow, jazz ocean flow. It lifts me high, it keeps me low. Jazz ocean flow, jazz ocean flow. The tide will teach what we should know. Stars under the sun, the water heals, it mends my scars. Just love shines near no matter how far. Just ocean flow, just ocean flow. It lifts me high, what we should know. The sun dips low and the palm trees sway. A golden light guides the end of day. The ocean hums a tune so deep. The world still turns while the mountains sleep. Just peaceful flow. Shine. Let jazz rhythm free your mind. Just peaceful flow, just peaceful flow. Feel it in the breeze, feel it where you go. Just peaceful flow, just peaceful flow. Just love to sow a seed of joy in just peaceful flow. Every heartbeat sings, every soul will know. Freedom lives in just peaceful glow. Sunrise is slow over Zion's crest. Golden ray lighting up Jah's best. Roots run deep where the ancients rest. Jah's roots forever, they never break. Strong like a lion, wide as the lake. Jah's roots forever, they always stay. Holding the ground when the winds betray. A drumbeat calls through the morning haze. Echoes of freedom, a fire ablaze. We walk this path, just holy way. Oh, my brother, don't let it fade. Hold the rhythm, hold the blade. Jah's roots forever, they never break. Strong like a lion, wide as the lake. Jah's roots forever, they always stay. Holding the ground when the winds betray. Plant the seed, let the green life grow. Through the storm, through the drought, we know. Rivers of faith, they'll always flow. The sun dips low in a crimson glow. Clouds drifting slow like Jah's own flow. I feel the earth breathe beneath my feet. A rhythm so deep, it makes my heart beat. Jah's smoke flow, it rises high through the trees and the open sky. Breathe it in, let the spirit grow. Feel the love in Jah's smoke flow. A drumbeat echoes, it shakes the ground. The wind carries whispers, a sacred sound. The roots run deep where the rivers meet. Life and music in a steady repeat. Can you hear it now? The call so clear, a melody of freedom ringing near. Just smoke flow, it rises high The moonlight bathes us in Jah's power. Every breath a gift